third chapter in Kalika Mahapurana, Om Ma Kalikai Namo Namaha, Om Krim Kali Karalabadanayi Namo Namaha, Om Namah Shivaya. काली काली महाकाली कालिके पापनाशिनी सर्वानंदकरे देवी मातेश्वरी नमोस्तुते. So in third chapter, due to this severe mistake of Kamadeva, when he utilized his Kama Bana in the world, in the universe, and due to that Vana, all the Brahma and Prajapati and Daksha Prajapati also affected in that Kama Bana, and they committed some mistake, and by this Kama Bana they are affected, infected and reacted, and due to that some more and more people took birth in the world, and that's why the system of world is disbalanced. That's why that Lord Brahma angered to he just highly, this due to this mistake, angry on Kamadeva, and he cursed Kamadeva. Due to this curse, Kamadeva appeared in front of that Lord Brahman. When in that time when he hid himself somewhere, but due to this curse, he came in front of the Lord Brahman and request and pray to Lord Brahman, "O Brahman, okay, I did some mistake are committed by me, but these mistake are these mistakes are committed unknowingly. It is really not my mistake. I just test myself that what kind of power you gave me to control this world, to give karma, to give happiness to the world, or to giving Madanarasa to the world, to giving, sex energy to the world. I just test myself to my arrow and bow, but I don't know, this is due to my ignorance. The arrow and bow, the arrow, when I just charge, when I use this energy in the universe, by this arrow and bow, this archery practice, this is for my test only. You all people are affected, and it is not my mistake. Oh Lord, please excuse me. Please help me, because you are the Father and I am the Son. And this is only my intention was to test, nothing, not more than that. That's why these all essential incidents are happened. So please excuse me. By this request, Lord Brahma, felt peace, and he told to Kamadeva in front of Lord Shiva, because in that time Shiva also came to that place to control the situation, to give advice to the Brahma and Daksha Prajapati and other Devaganas. That's why Brahma told Kamadeva that his curse was, you destroy your body, and after this, how you save from this curse. So he told him the ideas that when the Shiva Parvati, the Lord Shiva and Parvati Milana Samaya, at the time of marriage of Lord Parvati and Shiva, you get your body again, and you will be your caste dismissed in that time. So by giving this kind of advice and Asirvachana, Shiva and Brahma left that place, and in that time Daksha Prajapati told to Kamadeva, "O Kamadeva, in front of you my daughter is there, Atmaja. There is, her name is, Rati Devi, and is so beautiful and so nice. No more long, not more short. So very beautiful, and all kind of description about the beautifulness of Rati Devi. And by the order of the Daksha Prajapati, Rati Devi and Kamadeva, they both accept with each other, and they did their work, and they took blessing from the Daksha Prajapati, and after that they affect all the peoples, all the elements, all the creatures in the world, in the universe. कीड़े मकोड़े पेड़ पौधे जीव जंतु मनुष्य दृश्य अदृश्य ज्ञान अज्ञान चराचर स्वर्ग मर्त्य पाताला. These all words belongs to every each and creature and every place in all the state, all the place, all the sthana, kala, patra, everywhere. This Kamadeva and Rati Devi affect, these all are their power to give ananda, happiness, to develop sexual energy, sexual power with the inside the universe. These are all things are their criteria, their power. So they accept that they did all the deva karya, they obey the order, and they just not make any mistake in next phase in their life. So after this, here the Tritiya Adhyaya of Kalika Purana is over. So thank you. Om Krim Kalikaye Namaha.